Alright guys, I can't believe what's just happened. God, man. I'll show you in a minute. A bird, look like a little blackbird, yellow beak. I sat here in this chair here. The back door's there open. Little blackbird came flying in. And I'm just sat here watching it thinking, please, please, please don't go near him, don't go near him. Next thing, guys, this blackbird, I'm going to show you. Let me just turn this camera around so I can... Alright guys, PS1 games. What it's done, it's flew up there. It's flew up there and it's panicked. And there was 5 games going across the middle, or 6 or 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There was about 8 or 9 games, guys. And if I come down here, look, the bird's panicked. And some of these games are smashed. You can see a piece there that's smashed off. Cases are broke, games everywhere. Jesus Christ. Smashed. From down here. I don't know if there's anything down. Anyway. Game cases. And these, the problem with these game cases is what I don't know if, I don't think the discs, I don't know if there's any damage to the discs or what. But guys, oh, that one survived. I don't think that's got no breakages, but check this. It just smashed off, guys. These cases were immaculate. Can't believe it. Oh dear. My breath now. I've got no words, guys. I've got no words. I couldn't believe it. As soon as it came in, and I seen it flying up towards where them games are above the TV, because I thought, don't. I just sat here because I thought if I get up, but as soon as it got over to those games, it tried to land on the shelf. It kind of looked and saw me, and then panicked, and its wings just knocked the games everywhere. And then the bird flew back out the door, left a trail of destruction. Right, well, the problem is now as well, I was going to do a room tour tomorrow, but I'm not sure if that's going to go ahead now. I'm pissed off, guys. There's broken cases. You can't repair them cases. I don't know how much it's going to cost me to replace the cases. The manuals, they'll be fine because they're just books. They won't be damaged. I'm going to check through the discs in a bit. See if any of them are damaged. I'm not sure. I mean, they fell from what, 7 feet. I couldn't believe it. I could not believe it. I've got no words, guys. That is. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a cup of tea, get my head around it. I don't know whether. Why does a bird fly into your ass? I've never had that before. I've never had a bird come in my ass and cause so much destruction. I don't get it. I don't know. Oh God. So yeah, this video, this is disaster zone. I don't know. So yeah, what I'm gonna have to, what's he doing? Oh yeah, he's got the chest buster coming out of his chest. Check him out, guys. There's mad. Anyway, I'm gonna end this here. It's only a short video just to show you what's gone off. You know, yeah. I'm just gonna put it in the title. Disaster. A bird causes disaster in the games room. We're not expecting that one. I tell you what would have been a bit freaky if I'd have been out the room and I'd have heard all this crashing, walked in and there's nothing, like the bird had already gone. I'd have been like, what? Because if you look, guys, the shelves are still fine. The shelves are fine, and then there's all this. Oh my God. Alright guys, that's just a short video just to show you what I've got to now. I'm going to have to look around eBay. I've got no spare cases. I'm going to have to look around eBay to see if I can get... they're quite expensive as well on eBay. I've seen them. People asking like £5-7 each. And looking at that, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can count at least 8 games down there. Yeah. So the room tour, I think, is going to be on hold. I was going to do that tomorrow. It's going to be on hold. I'll probably end up doing an update on these games if I've managed to find some cases. That has really destroyed my day. That has really destroyed my day. I love all animals. I love all birds. I even put food out for them sometimes, you know. Yeah. It's a case of bite the hand that feeds you, I think. You feed them and they come in and destroy. Oh, I got a bit worried there. Thought I saw a disc cracked. We're cracking. No, it's not. It's just reflection. Oh, Jesus. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there because I'm going to have to sort this mess out. I'm going to get a cup of tea. And I shall catch you all in a bit. Probably an update either tonight or tomorrow. I'm going to have to go on eBay. See if I can... it'd be nice to find if somebody's selling a bundle and none of them are knackered. So I've got these broken hinges and all sorts, and you can't glue them. The glue don't, and it's not the same if you glue them. These was all immaculate, guys. I've had some of these since new, brand new. Unbelievable. Anyway, guys, I shall catch you all in a bit. Bye for now.